Hi, this is the VIVO V29 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down and find the sounds and vibration section. You'll see here media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes here you should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels by this way. We could here switch volume buttons function to use volume buttons to change the media, or also we could change the ringtones. Here we got the vibration settings. We could use vibration always first, then ring gradually, or just to turn it off. Here we could also activate and turn off the vibration for notifications. We could activate and turn off the down the start button with the help of the switcher, and to allow some calls, messages, notifications from any apps or alarms or peoples. And also we could set the schedule, the start and the end time of the D&D mode. We could also here switch the duration for the settings, and to display options for hidden notifications here. So let's go back. Here we got the ringtone and notification and alarm sounds. We could switch them. We could activate also the dial pad tones just to activate them or turn them off with the help of the switcher, and other options like the screen lock unlock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, screen capture sounds, touch vibration, and to use the vibration in the other party answers. Also we could here see the sound quality and sound profile settings. We could just switch the audio resolution to use the option for the earphones, just to customize the settings here, to use the super audio and audio redirect options. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.